Hey there, I'm Gary Rogowski. Thanks for joining me. Here in my new shop, which is a mess. That's how they start. I started to work on this place and then I realized this is my fifth shop. This is the fifth shop that I've set up, or am going to set up. And I thought this would be an opportunity to talk about some of those issues that you face, some of those things that you run into, and have you join me in this setting up shop series. So welcome. Contact me through the website northwestwoodworking.com if you have questions. We're just getting started on this, so we'll get a little more interactive as time goes by, but I appreciate you coming and spending time with me. Let's get started.